Yes, good morning, students. Today's we'll start the another part of mathematical of ethers. So before that, already we have seen from alkyl halides, from Williamson synthesis, but here we will start from Grignard reagent. When alpha halogen compounds, alkyl groups treated with Grignard reagent, तो alpha जो compound form होगा ether form होगा. React with Grignard reagent to form CS3 OCS2 CS3 plus Mg. One part is I, another part is Ca. So it will form the ether. This is the unsymmetrical ether. Methoxy is ethyl methyl ether or ethoxymethane. Its name is. So this is the another method of operations. Now next one is from alcohol. Now from alcohols. So alcohol undergo also dehydrations. Dehydrations means when alcohol are treated with concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin, you will get alkenes by loss of water molecules. So here is from alcohol. Alcohol undergo dehydration in the presence of some protic acid like H2SO4 or phosphoric acid H3PO4. They are dehydrates and give the alkenes, or sometimes it will give the ethers, but conditions are different. Different conditions takes place. Now first C2H5OH concentrated H2SO4 443 Kelvin will form CS2 double bond CS2 by loss of water molecules or C2H4. This is the one condition. If first condition, if the primary alcohol are treated with H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin, 413 Kelvin, ether form like C2H5OH H2SO4 413 Kelvin. The temperatures differ. That's why different condition is available here. They will form C2H5 O C2H5 by loss of water molecules. Then is the primary alcohols are treated with H2SO4 at 413 Kelvin. They are form ethers. Ether also obtained by dehydrations of in the presence of aluminum oxide. Alcohol also may be dehydrated with aluminum oxide at the 520 Kelvin. May be dehydrated with aluminum oxide at 520 Kelvin. Ether obtained, ether are formed like C2H5OH, two molecules of this one, L2O3, different condition, 520 Kelvin heated with this one, we get ether. Ether is obtained. These conditions, in this condition here is three conditions you have seen. First here is ethanol treated with H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin, it will form alkenes. Here primary alcohols are treated with concentrated H2SO4. This is also concentrated. Concentrated H2SO4 at 430 Kelvin, ether is obtained. Then same is different condition 520 पर aluminum oxide की presence पर भी ether form हो रहा है. So alcohol should be जो है आपको excess में लेना है. Otherwise क्या होगा? Undergo alcohol जो होगा आपके पास water molecule eliminate करेगा और जो है if you are not taking in excess, so alcohol molecule जो है undergo elimination reaction show करेगा and water molecule given out they are forming alkenes. So जो secondary और tertiary alcohols है, they are not using during these reactions because they are showing elimination reactions by using the water molecules. So here we'll see the tertiary butyl alcohols. We'll see. Here is tertiary butyl alcohol. It will give H2O. This is the conditions. This is condition. You have to write concentrated H2SO4. This is the one condition. So here is tertiary butyl alcohols convert to alkenes. That's why it is not used this. So the formations of ether is a nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction, जिसे आप बोलते हो SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction. जहाँ पर आपके पास inversion takes place already you discussed in haloalkanes and alkenes. So formation of ether is nucleophilic bimolecular reactions. So alcohol molecule जो होगा can attack on the protonated alcohols. Protonated जो compounds होगा उस पर attack करेगा. The alcohol जो है हमारे पास molecule attack on the protonated alcohols. So these steps, this mechanism held in the 3 steps. सबसे पहले हमारे पास जो है protonated alcohol form होगा when it will accept the proton CH3 CH2 OH. It will accept the proton to form protonated alcohol CH3 CH2 O. This is the protonated alcohol, protonated alcohol. In the first step. This is the first step. And according to these conditions, हमारे पास जो है अल्कोहल मॉलिक्यूल्स अटैक ऑन अ प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल. सो अल्कोहल मॉलिक्यूल अटैक करेगा प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल पर सेकंड स्टेप में. ये हमारे पास अल्कोहल है कैन अटैक ऑन अ प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल CH3 CH2O प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल पर होगा. So it will eliminated the water molecules from these reactions. यहाँ से जो होगा हमारे पास water molecule जो है eliminated होगा. Water molecule is eliminated. Here you will get CH3 CH2O positive H CH2 CH3 plus H2O. From this space अब जो प्रोटॉन आपने यूज किया था फर्स्ट स्टेप में वो अपना जो है it will leave the reaction. थर्ड स्टेप में आपके पास प्रोटॉन जो यूज किया था आपने it will leave the space, leave the group, then we will get ether. This is the mechanism of formation of ether from the alcohol. Means it held in the 3 step. First में आपके पास जो है alcohol proton accept करेगा, it will form the protonated alcohol. Then this alcohol molecules attack on the protonated alcohol to form the intermediate compounds, and these intermediate compounds leave the proton to form ether. This is the mechanism of ether. ये जो method है, this method is suitable for the preparation of ether only when primary alkyl group is using. Students, next one is another chemical properties. The important chemical properties of ether जिसे हम बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रोलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस इन बेंजीन. तो हमारे पास यहाँ जो है हैलोजनेशन है. फर्स्ट हैलोजनेशन में डिफरेंट हैलोजन कंपाउंड्स यू आर यूजिंग. हैलोजनेशन मींस X कंपाउंड फ्लोरीन क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन. नाइट्रेशन मींस NO2 ग्रुप्स HNO3 and H2SO4 की प्रेजेंस में जो रिएक्शन होती है. सो हियर हैलोजनेशंस ड्यू टू रेजोनेंस ऑफ एरोमेटिक ईथर्स दे आर ऑर्थो एंड पैरा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप्स. क्योंकि वहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी जो होती है हमारे पास हाई होती है, हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटीज और मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजीशंस. सो जो भी आपके पास इनकमिंग ग्रुप्स होगा इट विल कम इन ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजीशंस. जो ऑर्थो पोजीशन होगा आपके पास एज अ माइनर प्रोडक्ट होगा और पैरा जो होगा आपके पास मेजर प्रोडक्ट होगा. सो आपके पास जो रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स है ऑफ एरोमेटिक ईथर्स का इट इज सिमिलर टू द फिनॉल. एंड इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू नो दैट जो आपके पास एरोमेटिक ईथर्स होते हैं, दे आर लेस reactive as compared to phenol. Now we'll just see the resonance structures of aromatic ethers. The first condition. Now this is from the positive ion by loss of double bond, positive ion, and this negative ion will come here and this bond will here. Now second condition, ये जो bond होगा यहाँ पर shift होगा, ये यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. So what you get here, you will get this structure. Then this bond will come here, this one come here. So in this condition you will get this structure and negative ion change their position. It will come here. Then at last ये जो रिएक्शन हो गया आपके पास, now you will get this one. This is the structure of resonance structure of aromatic ethers, similar to phenol, but they are less reactive as compared to phenol. Now we'll see the reactions. Here जो brominations होता है in the absence of FeBr3 as a catalyst की absence में होता है. जैसे आप लोग देखें मिथाइल फिनाइल ईथर्स की बात करें, OCS3 methyl phenyl ethers, brominations takes place in the presence of CS3 COH. So definitely incoming group जो होगा आर्थोन पैरा डेरिवेटिव होगा, so हमारे पास जो कंपाउंड्स फॉर्म होगा ये हमारे पास कंपाउंड फॉर्म होगा. इसे बोला जाता है कॉमनली इट इज नोन एज एनिसोल. मिथाइल फिनाइल ईथर, मिथाइल फिनाइल ईथर ये हमारे पास होगा एनिसोल, आर्थोब्रोमो एनिसोल, आर्थोब्रोमो एनिसोल माइनर, और जो हमारे पास होगा पेराब्रोमो एनिसोल जो हमारे पास मेजर. So this is the halogenation reaction. Next one is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next one is Friedel-Crafts reactions, and all of you know Friedel-Crafts reaction is taking place in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. So here also in this reaction alkyl or aryls groups come into the arthro and para position. और यहाँ पर जो anhydrous aluminum chloride यूज हो रहा है, anhydrous aluminum chloride this acid act as a catalyst. So here anisole जो होगा, now this is the reaction of anisole takes place in presence of plus CS3 COCl anhydrous aluminum chloride. So here you get this compound first OCS3, then this is COCS3 one, another one is this structure OCS3 COCS3, means here is orthomethoxy acetophenone, orthomethoxy acetophenone जो कि आपके पास क्या होगा, माइनर होगा, और ये होगा आपके पास पेरा मिथॉक्सी एसिटोफिनोन जो कि आपके पास मेजर होगा वन, दिस वन. ओके, एसिटाइल क्लोराइड स्थान. यदि आपके पास जो है मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप जो है वो रिएक्ट कर रहा है आपके पास मिथाइल क्लोराइड से, एनहाइड्रस एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड CH2। तो आपके पास जो ग्रुप मिलेगा OCH3 CH3 प्लस OCH3 देन CH3, जिसे आप लोग बोल सकते हो ऑर्थोमिथाइल एनिसोल, और ये जगह पैरा मिथाइल एनिसोल। यहाँ पास माइनर है, यहाँ पास मेजर है। दिस इज Fidelgraph reaction, and last one is nitration. Nitration. So you know nitration takes place in the presence of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So यहाँ भी आपके पास आर्थो मिक्सचर ऑफ आर्थो एंड पैरा डायरेक्टिंग नाइट्रो कंपाउंड्स फॉर्म होगा। जब आप लोग जो है नाइट्रेशन टेकिंग प्लेस in the presence of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, so you will get the ortho and para directing compounds, nitro compounds. Here is anisole, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So here you will get 2 nitroanisole or orthonitroanisole OCH3 NO2 plus this compound OCH3 NO2. So its name is 2 nitroanisole, which is minor product, and is 4 nitro or para nitro anisole, major product. This is the nitration, ortho and para directing compounds form होंगे. So this is the nitration. So in electrolytic substitution reactions जो है हमारे पास लेस रिएक्टिव होती है in ethers but is more reactive in phenols, जहाँ पर हम लोगों ने जस्ट देखा हैलोजिनेशन, Fidelgraph reactions and nitration.